Have you ever wondered how vast the universe is? Our journey starts right here, on our home planet Earth. It's not particularly large as far as celestial bodies go, with a diameter of only about 12,742 kilometers. Yet from our perspective, it's pretty immense. It takes a commercial airliner over 40 hours to circumnavigate the globe, flying at nearly 900 kilometers per hour. But let's zoom out a bit. Our Earth is just one small part of the solar system. If we were to travel from Earth to our Sun, it would take us about 149.6 million kilometers. That's a road trip you couldn't finish in a lifetime. Even light, traveling at a mind-boggling speed of 300,000 kilometers per second, takes about 8.5 minutes to make this journey. And our Sun? It's just an average star among billions in our galaxy. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Let's first go to the outermost planet in our solar system, Neptune. It's a staggering 4.5 billion kilometers away from our Sun. If you were traveling at the speed of light, it would still take over 4 hours to get there. What's more, the distances between stars are so vast that astronomers don't even use kilometers to measure them. They use a unit called a light year, the distance that light travels in a year, which is about 9.5 trillion kilometers. So, if Earth is our home and the solar system is our neighborhood, then we're living in a very, very spacious neighborhood. To give you an idea, if the solar system were the size of a coin, the Milky Way would be the size of North America. Now this is just our neighborhood in the cosmos. Let's scale up even further. So, how far does our galactic neighborhood stretch? Let's start by considering our home, the Milky Way galaxy. This cosmic city of stars is no small town. It's about 200,000 light-years across. Now, you may be wondering, what exactly is a light year? Well, it's the distance light, the fastest thing in the universe, travels in a year. To put it into perspective, that's roughly 9.46 trillion kilometers. That's a lot of zeros. And within this vast expanse of the Milky Way, there are around 100 billion stars, each potentially hosting planets of their own. It's a mind-boggling number, isn't it? But the Milky Way is just one of an estimated 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. Let's scale up a bit, shall we? Beyond our Milky Way, the nearest major galaxy is Andromeda. To give you a sense of the vastness between us and our cosmic neighbor, Andromeda is approximately 2.537 million light-years away. That's right, million. Imagine if we were able to travel at the speed of light, it would still take us over 2.5 million years to reach Andromeda. It's a distance so large, it's hard to even fathom. And yet, these mind-numbing distances are just a tiny fraction of the universe's expanse. In fact, when we talk about the universe, we're dealing with scales so large that they dwarf the distances we've just discussed. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember that each point of light is part of a vast cosmic landscape that stretches far beyond our human comprehension. The universe is not just bigger than we imagine, it's bigger than we can imagine. Think that's far? Well, we've barely started our cosmic journey. If we zoom out even more, what do we see? Well, we find ourselves staring into the vast expanse of the observable universe. It's an unimaginably large space with a diameter of about 93 billion light-years. To put that into perspective, if we were to travel at the speed of light, it would take us 93 billion years to cross from one end of the observable universe to the other. But what's in all that space? It's filled with galaxies, each one a swirling mass of stars, dust, and dark matter. Current estimates suggest there are around 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. That's a 2 followed by 12 zeros. Each of these galaxies is home to billions, sometimes even trillions of stars, with countless planets orbiting them. However, even with all these galaxies, stars, and planets, the majority of the universe is just empty space. The distances between these galaxies are so vast that they make the size of the galaxies themselves seem insignificant. And here's the really mind-boggling part. The universe is still expanding. That's right, all of these galaxies are moving away from each other, causing the universe to grow larger every second of every day. This expansion is happening at such a rate that light from the galaxies at the edge of our observable universe has taken billions of years to reach us. Yet, it's important to remember that the edge of the observable universe is not the actual edge of the universe. There could be much, much more universe out there beyond what we can currently observe. It's just that the light from these distant regions hasn't had time to reach us yet. So the universe is immeasurably vast and we are but a tiny speck in it. This perspective can be humbling, yet it also underscores the amazing potential of scientific exploration. As we continue to push the boundaries of our knowledge and technology, who knows what we might discover in this vast cosmic ocean? Overwhelmed? That's a common reaction. It's not every day we grapple with the sheer enormity of the cosmos. The universe is an expansive canvas, and we're but a tiny speck on that canvas, a testament to the grandeur of existence. Our understanding of the universe is ever evolving. Once we believed the Earth was the center of it all. Now we know we're just part of a vast cosmic ballet spinning in a galaxy among billions. Our knowledge has grown exponentially from spotting planets in our own solar system to discovering galaxies far beyond our Milky Way. And yet there's so much more to uncover. So let's keep exploring, keep questioning, keep learning. Because every new discovery, every fresh insight, it doesn't diminish us, it enriches us, links us to the cosmic story that's still being written. Remember, the universe is vast. But that doesn't make us insignificant. It makes our existence all the more remarkable.
Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. That's all for Nifty Narration.